In this video, let me show you how to withdraw money from the RUBI Mining App. First, let's log into your account. On the main screen, you should see the available features. To withdraw or get your money out of RUBI, you'll need to send your in-app currency to another wallet. Start by tapping the pickaxe icon, which will take you to your wallet. There you'll see both receive and send options to withdraw. Tap Send. Enter the wallet address or phone number of the destination where you want to send your money. After that, hit search to load the wallet information. Once it's loaded, you can choose how much to send. After entering all the necessary information, tap Continue. You'll see a confirmation screen showing the destination, message if any, and the amount. If everything looks correct, tap Transfer. You'll then receive a PIN code for verification. Enter the code and press Done to complete the transaction. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.